Hello, my name is Love Oladile. I'm popularly called the Queen of Internet Business. Today, I want to sincerely welcome every one of you to my team. So this is a welcome message for members of LiveGood that are in my team. Basically, I will be sharing with you what to do. What to do when you just join LiveGood. So when you join this business, what is the first thing you should be doing? The first thing you need to do is to study your back office. Once you join LiveGood, you have your username and your password. So you need to log in into the account and study the back office. So I will be doing a separate video. So I'm going to call that welcome video part 2. So this is welcome video part 1, where I'll be doing a video and on the back office, and I'll be showing you every part of our back office. So you need to watch the video as well. So what to do? Go to your back office. Where you don't understand, you can ask questions. Now, I want to tell you that you don't need to know everything in the back office before you start connecting others to this business. Remember, you joined this business. Well, I don't know why you joined this business, I did a video this morning and I was talking about the tips for success in online business, and I said, what is your why? So what is your why? If your why is to make money in this business, then you do not need to understand all the products, all the back office before you start talking about the business. So what you also want to do, which is the second point, is you need to start connecting others to this business. You need to start with your contact. I know some of us don't like to talk to our contacts. You don't even want to ever go to people that know you, because one of the things that I tell people is people know you. So because when you now talk to them, they see you as see finish. That who is this? How much have you made to talk to me? I don't know if you've experienced that. So people want to ask you, how much have you made to come and tell me about a business that is paying people dollars? So how much have you made? Now you want to still talk to them. You want to send them a message. Now we send a very short message to people on our team, and the message is, have you seen this? Very simple. Have you seen this? It just launched and I've taken my position. Watch this 5 minutes video. So when you say watch these 5 minute videos, you want to put in your powerline video. Now when you go to your back office, I said my next video will be on the back office. So when you go to your back office, you click on my website. Then you pick your power line, just as the ones that have TOUR, that's your power line. You pick your power line link and start sharing. Do not look back. Do not prejudge. And I say to people, do not prejudge. Just keep sharing, and all with that short message. I'm going to put the short message in the description box of this video. Have you seen this? This just launched. You can have 200,000 people have joined. I don't add that again because I don't want them to feel 200,000. Where will I not get space? What will I not be doing? So I just say, have you seen this? This just launched. I've just taken my position. Please watch this 5 minutes video and let's talk about it. So that's what I just say to people now, and it is working. So you can just send that out to all your contacts. So the third thing you need to do is to set up your wallet. In LiveGood, if you're in US, they can pay straight to your bank account. But this company is from US. But those of us that are not in US, how do we get that? Now you'll see in your back office, if you click on earning, it's this setup plan. So you can set up your payment plan by using iPay or BitPay. So that's what you need to do. So what I tell my team members, even before you set up, you can just quickly go and say, put all my money in credit wallet. Now, BitPay and iPay needs verification, and sometimes it actually can be fast, but some people may just have issues. So at that point, let's say you have earned money from the system, instead of you to be waiting for your account to be verified, you can actually move your money to your upline through the credit wallet, and your upline can cash out and pay you, but you set up your own and be able to do it yourself. Now, so go set up your wallet. That's another thing you need to do. That's the third thing you should do. Then the fourth thing you should do is to always attend our Zoom meetings. We have the Zoom meetings by our team that we do Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. So we have the Zoom meeting. Then we also have the Zoom meeting by the company that they do on Thursday night. For those of us in Nigeria, that's around 2 a.m. Then we have the rank advancement training. Okay, I think maybe now maybe around 1 a.m. Then we have the rank advancement training. I love the rank advancement training. It comes up every Friday by 5 p.m. I love it because they always bring in someone who has achieved what you want to achieve, which is a diamond rank. We always bring maybe a diamond or a platinum to talk to us, to tell us the strategies. So you need to also be attending the advancement meeting, the rank advancement meeting. And once I told someone that for you to continue building your momentum in a business, you need to attend the meetings. You need to be. This thing is a continuum. Building momentum is a continuum. If you stop attending meetings, before you know it, you start dissociating yourself. So as much as possible, attend the meetings. If you cannot attend the daily Zoom meeting that we do, then you should attend the rank advancement training that is every Friday. Okay, be consistent with that. Number 5 is to follow up on your prospects. Now, when you start sharing your link, your powerline link, people will start pre-enrolling. When they pre-enroll, you need to follow them up. I'm going to do a short note to send maybe to my first line, and then we'll also share with their own people on what are the things you can send out to people on WhatsApp, on emails. You need to follow up with people. When they pre-enroll, you need to show people that you care by telling them, welcoming them, sending them your own special message, telling them if they need a guide. Now, one of the things I do is to send even my WhatsApp link that, you can join my WhatsApp, because I may not have time to continue to follow up. So when they join the WhatsApp group, I can follow up everybody on the group because of the number of people that I'm getting that are signing up on my pre-enrollment form. Because of the number of people I get signing up on Powerline link, I may not be able to keep following up everybody one after the other. So as in my first message, I will tell you that this is my group. You can join my group so that you can ask questions and you can be properly guided on the group. So that can be part of what you'll be sending out. So you need to follow up. Then the 6th one will be for you to learn social media marketing. I love it when I can use my phone and my laptop, or just your phone, to do social media. Social media marketing is very important. So we'll also be sharing some tips, some strategies on what we are doing on social media that is working out, because it's important to take this as a business. You need to take it as a business. Why people fail in network marketing business is that they take it as if it is an hobby, and because it's a side hustle, some people just don't take it serious. But this is a side hustle that can actually pay you more than your main hustle. I remember when one of my sponsors became a diamond, she said to me, what I made this month is ×4 of my salary. ×4 of my salary. And she's working in a good organization where they pay them well. But yet that was what she earned that month, was ×4 of what she normally get paid every month. So you need to take this as a business, treat it as a business. That's the way you can rank and become a diamond, so that you can make money that can help you change and transform your life. So I'll be seeing you in my next video, where I'll be sharing, where I'll be doing the training on the back office. And if you continue with us, you'll be able to learn the social media strategies that we also use as well. So once again, I want to welcome you to our team. We're super excited to have you on board.